What's going on, everyone? I am meteorologist Mike Linden, and today we are going to talk about some of the newest features that are now in the MyRadar app. We are going to cover 5 new features today: fronts, jet streams, global precipitation, some new stuff for the hurricane tracker, as well as how to share and export video straight from the app. Let's get into it. To add the fronts to the map, all you have to do is click on the layer menu. That's what looks like a stack of cards. And there you can just see fronts. Within the fronts menu, you can control the opacity, just how vibrant they show up on the map. But it's very easy. All you do is simply toggle it on, hit done, and there you go. And you can start to see high pressure, low pressure, stationary fronts, cold fronts, troughs, warm fronts, the whole 9. So now you can really get an idea of the systems that are moving through where you live, or simply wherever you want to see the weather. Now let's talk about jet streams. Same thing goes as the fronts are concerned. You click on that layer menu yet again, although this time it's just a little hidden. You go into the winds layer, and in the winds layer you can see those 2 rectangles at the top, both surface winds and jet streams at a 500 millibar level. So for this example, let's highlight the jet streams, turn on the wind, hit done, and there you go. You can start to see a really cool visualization of those jet stream winds at that upper portion of the atmosphere. You can also see, notice in this example up near Hudson Bay there, you can see low pressure swirling. Very, very cool. Now let's talk about global precipitation. In the past, we were using ground-based radar stations to give us weather information. But now, through the use of enhanced satellite data, we can now show precipitation all across the globe. This feature is actually on by default, but just in case you want to know how to toggle it on and off, here's how you do it. Under the radar menu, you will see global satellite enhancement. All you have to do is toggle that on, and then when you go back to the map and just zoom out a little bit, you should now start to see precipitation showing up all across the globe. Very cool. Now let's talk about some of the changes that we have made to the hurricane tracker. And simply what that is going to give you now in the base version of the app, not the pro version. It's just going to give you some more information on hurricanes, enabling you to get a little more information about current storms that are brewing. Coupled with that, we have now tweaked the notifications a little bit. If you go to the settings menu, that's that little cog wheel in the bottom right, click on notification settings, and you'll see that we've added hurricane and tropical notifications. Now, what we've done here is anytime a tropical storm or a hurricane is upgraded or downgraded, you will get a notification, and you'll get notifications the whole way, letting you know what is going on with that particular tropical storm or hurricane. Now let's talk about one of the most requested features in the app: sharing and exporting your own video and images. Now it's really easy to do. All you have to do is click the 3rd button from the right at the bottom of the toolbar there, that being the share icon, and you are given 2 options: share animation and share image. Of course, an image is going to be a still of the radar, whereas a shared animation will be a bit longer, and it is, think about it like a movie. So it's kind of a looping radar. All of these files can be saved locally to your device, as well as sent out wherever you want to share the information: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, social media, wherever you want to. Now all you have to do is hit that share button. That's all I've got for you this time. Thanks again for watching, and if you are watching on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click on that notification bell as well. That way you always know whenever we drop new videos, and don't forget to follow us on all of our various social media platforms as well. I've been meteorologist Mike Linden. We'll see you next time.